and the rate and term finance when we're talking about someone coming to us and saying, what are my options here?
Okay, so as far as cash out versus a rate term, there are two things that go with it. One is when you're able to do either of those, and then two is just the basic definition. So cash out is when you want to pull out equity, take cash out of the property as part of the refinance process. A rate and term means that you are probably in a hard money loan and you have a high interest rate, 10, 11, 12, 13, whatever it might be, and you just want to get out of that high rate. So I could do for you, or we can do for you, a rate and term refinance where you're going to get a longer term, because those hard money loans are usually a shorter term. You're going to get a longer term of, Josh just spoke to it, 30 years, 15 years, 10 years, 5, whatever it is you're looking for, and you're going to get a much lower rate. So the rate and term gives you a longer term, lower rate. Cash out will give you a lower rate and allow for you to pull equity out of the home.
The other thing I would add to that is, really think about what your needs are. So people come to us, and actually we had the one call we were on early this morning, Tony and I were on with a client today, talking about, are you looking to get new money or not? Are you looking just to pay off that loan? It's really a dialogue and a conversation. And so a lot of these situations, that's where Tony's expertise comes in. We've closed enough loans and have enough experience and volume and relationships to be able to sort of talk through, what are you trying to accomplish here? Are you looking to get the money out that you put into that property, get it back to reinvest in other properties? Or are you simply looking to keep it all in there, keep the equity in the property, and just get a better rate? Or maybe you paid cash and you want to get all that money back. So you can come to us with a free and clear property and just do a straight cash out loan, right? And get all that money right back to be able to reinvest, put in your bank account, or do whatever you want with. If you come to us with a property that owes $100,000 on a $150,000 property, say, I just want that to be a better rate. That's what's called a rate and term refinance. We're only improving the rate and hopefully the term, but that's what we're refreshing and redoing, is your rate and your term of that loan. We're not doing cash out. Limits on cash out, Tony, for how much you can get at any given time versus a rate and term?
So for cash out, the limit, current market limit, is 75% LTV. If you're just doing a rate and term, the LTV can be as high as 80%.
And that's going to all depend on credit.